Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete TextPlus account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete your TextPlus account, what you need to do first is head over and open up your TextPlus app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on this 3 horizontal bar on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, you'll be seeing an option that says settings. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside your settings, all you gotta do is scroll all the way down and you'll find an option that says delete account right here. Simply tap on that, and now all you gotta do is sign in with your credentials, then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.